National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Northerly Island, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 7 p.m. At 4:56 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 nautical miles north of McHenry to 7 nautical miles northeast of Elgin to near Aurora, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Waukegan Harbor around 5:25 p.m. Winthrop Harbor around 5:35 p.m. Here is